Good morning. Happy Saturday. I hope you can hear me through Miss Rachel. As you know, I have two little ones, not 10, two little ones. And we're starting the morning with Miss Rachel. But what I really came in here to tell you guys is how I actually started my morning. So even though we know sometimes as believers that we should start our day with prayer, talking to God, sitting silent, letting Him talk to us, sometimes we get so wrapped up in life that we feel like, I get to it later. And every time I do that, I see a major shift in how things go for me externally and how I feel internally. Like I don't have that unconditional peace that I know I can have. Even if you're not a believer, still listen in. It's so important to start your day with talking to God, thanking Him for what you have, thanking Him for the good in your life, and thanking Him for the things that you desire, as long as it's in alignment with what He wants for you. And as I was in prayer today, I got a message, and I said, I have to pass this on to you guys. When it comes to healing from toxic relationships, one of the mistakes we can make is we can start to doubt our value, especially when there's infidelity that happened, right? So in my situation, towards the end, I found out I was being cheated on. I was probably being cheated on throughout the entire 10 years. But one of the things that helped me in my healing process is not taking it as something's wrong with me. So if you are in a similar situation where you have been cheated on or are being cheated on, I don't want you to think that something is wrong with you. People cheat for their own reasons. If something is wrong with you, let's say hypothetically, that is not a reason to cheat. That is something to do with the cheater. That is their problem. And when we're talking about toxic or narcissistic people, no matter who you are, they are going to do that because they have their own reasons. And we can talk about that another day. If you want me to go further into that, let me know. All right. But I want you to understand your value and understand that how they behave has nothing to do with you. What is to do with you is how long you decide to stay caught up in their web. Whether you're still in the relationship or you've ended the relationship, you have the authority to decide how long you stay connected to this person and this type of behavior.